Hello friends, we'll be solving some of the more questions of partnership firm. This is illustration number 5. A and B are in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio at the rate of 3:2. So this is their old ratio. They take C as a new partner. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio if 1. C purchases 1/10 share from A. Is it alright? So first case, C purchases 1/10 share from A. Is it alright? So now there will be three partners, A, B and C. What will be share of A? His share was 3/5. Now he has given 1/10 to C. So remaining will be his share. B was having 2/5. He has not given anything, so his will remain 2/5. C has got 1/10 from A, so his share will be 1/10. Is it alright? So what will be his share is, this 5 to 6 minus 1. 5/10. Is it alright? So this is 5/10, this is 4/10 and 1/10. So new profit sharing ratio will be is equal to 5 is to 4 is to 1. Is it alright? This is how we calculate when only one partner is sacrificing something and a new partner is admitted. Let us go to case number 2. A and B sacrifices 1/10 share to C in the ratio of 2:3. So sacrifice ratio of A and B is 2:3. Let me find out what actually is sacrificed by A. Sacrificed by A, sacrificed by B. What was the share given to Mr. C? 1/10, but full was not given by A. A is giving only 2/5 share of this 1/10. Is it alright? B is giving 3/5 share of this 1/10. Sacrifice ratio of A is 2/50. Sacrifice ratio of B is 3/50. Is it alright? Let me find out new profit sharing ratio of A and B. Is it alright? Can I say new is equal to old minus sacrifice? I can say new is equal to old minus sacrifice ratio. Is it alright? Old minus sacrifice. So what is old ratio for Mr. A was 3/5 minus sacrifice is 2/50. Is it alright? B was 2/5, sacrifice is 3/50, and C ratio will be nothing but 1/10. So this 50 will be LCM. So 5 tens are, this is 30, 28 divided by 50. This is 10 twos are 20 minus 3, 17 divided by 50. And this is 5 divided by 50. So new P&L ratio will be 28 is to 17 is to 5. Is it all right? So see, in this question practically there are practically all the points are covered, how to find out sacrifice and new ratio. The third point, he simply gets 1/10 share of profit. Is it all right? So A, B and C. How much C is getting? 1/10. Is it alright? Now it is not given who is sacrificing, how much is sacrificing. So if both of them agrees that they will be giving 1/10 share to Mr. C, then 9/10 share will be distributed between these two in the ratio of 2:3. Sorry, 3:2, their existing ratio. This should be 3/5. This is old ratio, 3/5, 2/5. So this will be 27 divided by 50. This will be 18 divided by 50. This is 5 divided by 50. And their new profit sharing ratio will be 27:18:5. Is not same. Please understand your sacrifice of A and B, if you find out, will be in ratio of 3:2. Is it alright? Sacrifice ratio will be in 3:2. The new ratio between A and B will be also in the ratio of 3:2. Only C is admitted as 1/10 of partner. So this will be new ratio in this case, this case, this case. So what I was telling you is, this are the exhaustive manners in which the new profit and loss ratio is found out. At higher level, normally we don't do n numbers of questions of finding out new profit sharing ratio. It is assumed that you know how to find out sacrifice ratio, new P&L ratio, old P&L ratio, and this concept should be very much clear at your lower standard. But even if you are not understood at this level, you can always go to your lower standard, practice n numbers of questions, and you will be getting an idea how to find out sacrifice ratio, how to find out new ratio.